Kirsten from Redfield Crafts. Welcome back. Today is Wednesday, March 18th, and we will be doing a JoAnns unboxing. I ordered from JoAnns a few weeks ago. It took that long to get here. We live in, obviously if you're new, we live in Italy, so with the whole quarantine situation that is going on in Europe and mainly in Italy right now, things took a little bit longer to get here, but it's finally here. I have my order shipped in 2 shipments, which I found was really weird because majority of it is one big box. And then the small one right here, I got this yesterday. So we are going to go ahead and open these up, and I am going to show you what I got. What I did order, it's mainly yarn for blankets that I am doing for all of my nieces and nephews for this coming Christmas. And this is stuff that I haven't tried yet or tried before, except for the Red Heart. Obviously, I have tons of Red Heart, so I have tried that. And I want to take a moment to apologize for my appearance right now. We are in the middle of our 4th week of online homeschooling due to the school closures here. So this is the mom look right now. We actually just got done doing our schoolwork for today. It is 12:30 p.m. right now, Wednesday, March 18th. So, so now I get a chance to film for you guys and show you my JoAnns order. So I'm going to, okay, why is that wet? Oh my goodness. So, I don't know why, but my box got wet. That makes me a little mad right now. The only thing I can think of is my radiator was leaking, which is not very fun. So I'm just going to leave this right here. And I'm just going to open it right here for you guys. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Move that stuff and drop stuff everywhere. Ugh. Pick this all up. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this. Good enough, right? So this right here is my little corner. Our house is not very big here. Oh, thank God they put it all in bags. That is awesome. Oh, I love this. First thing you see when you open it, oh, bag on top to prevent water damage, which is nice. Alright. Wow. Those were a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is I got 2 Red Heart Super Saver Jumbos. These are in the color Cherry Red. Woo! So Cherry Red. These are a size 4 worsted weight yarn. They are 14 ounces, 396 grams, 744 yards, or 681 meters in each of these. So that is almost 1,500 yards right here in just Cherry Red. Now I've used this color before for other projects. But yeah, I got 2 of these because this is for one of the blankets. I just don't know where I'm gonna put this stuff. All right, I'm gonna put it right there for right now. Let's see, do I have any other? Yeah. I got another Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo in the color Spring Green. Ooh, that is bright green, ain't that? With us finally coming into the spring weather, definitely enjoy using this. Now this is bright green. This is actually really soft compared to the cherry red. The dyes made this one a lot softer than the other one. I like that. That's good for a blanket. So yeah, there's that color. And then I got some regular Red Heart Super Saver in the color Pumpkin, because I thought that was a good orange color. It's not too, let's see, this is Burnett in the color Carrot, so I thought this was a lot better. It would definitely go with, let me see, with the green a lot better. Now when I did this order, and when they shipped it, I looked at the, all of my invoices and stuff like that, and it said that this one, because it came in a pack of 3, you had to order in a pack of 3. So 2 with this big order, and then this little bag right here should be, there they are. This should be the 3rd one. And I am sorry about the crinkling, guys. And I didn't even look at the invoice in here. See if there's an invoice. But anyways, this is the 3rd ball. So I got yarn everywhere. 3 balls of pumpkin. Put those right over there. Ugh. I literally have nowhere I'm going to put all this stuff. Put it behind me. Now I'm trying to look, see if there's an invoice in here. There it is. Nope, that's not the invoice. That is the ball band for that one. So there is no invoice in this anywhere. So I cannot tell you what each of these were. If you guys want, in the description box down below, I can put how much each of them were. I think JoAnns at the time was having a sale on all their yarns. I think they were like 20 or 30% off when I ordered. And then you can also use a, I know I used a code when I was checking out for 20, was it 20%? I think it was 20 or 30% off your entire order, which saved me about $30, which was fabulous. So yeah, but anyways, back to the yarn. The next thing I got, ooh, this is actually really nice. I got 3 Super Saver Ombres. Wow, these are falling apart. 3 Super Saver Ombres. Oh, there's my invoice right at the bottom. But it doesn't tell you the prices. Lovely. 3 Super Saver Ombres in the color Jazzy. So this one I know is for my niece, because her favorite color is pink and any shade of pink. And this has, 3 or 4 different shades of pink in there, and it's got that nice ombre effect. So I got 3 of these. They are 10 ounces each, 283 grams, 440 meters, or 482 yards in each of these. So that's 4, 8, 12, 13, about 1350, just shy of 1400 yards in there. I know I need to order more of this to finish this blanket, but this is a start. So 3 of those. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Over there for now. Now the last things that I got are a mixture of Lion Brand, Pound of Love, and Karen 1-pounders. I figured when I was looking up yarns to do for my blankets and all of my nieces and nephews, I want to make a decent sized blanket, so roughly twin bed size. So you're gonna need quite a bit. So I figure, you know, Lion Brand, Pound of Loves, and Karen 1-pounders would be perfect. And obviously the Lion Brand jumbos, or wow, Red Heart jumbos. So yeah, the next things I got was I got 2 Karen 1-pounders in the color Royalty. So there's that. I'm sorry guys, the lighting is crap down here in the basement. Obviously all of the yarn that I got is a size 4 medium weight. This is obviously 16 ounces, about 1 pound, roughly 454 grams, 742 meters, or 812 yards. Ooh. So yeah, good. There you go. 2 of these. I got, let's see, that's not, all right, now, this label came off and I'm gonna have to fix this later, but just tape this back together after. Yeah, buddy. Not yet, okay? You gotta wait for me to come outside. Okay. So how about you go get changed, okay? Okay. You can go put another pair of shorts on if you want, alright?
Okay, that's my shirt.
You're gonna change your shirt too? Yes. Sorry guys. It's gorgeous out here today. It's almost 70 degrees outside, so since kids finish school, finish eating lunch, we're gonna go outside in a little bit. But anyways, back to the yarn. So I got 2 of these Karen 1-pounders in the color medium gray mix, so right there, and same specs, 16 ounces, 454 grams, 812 yards, or 742 meters. So I got 2 of these. Next I have 2 of these Karen 1-pounders in the color Cape Cod Blue. Thought that was a really nice shade of blue for a boy or a girl blanket. So I got 2 of these. And then I have a whole bunch of Lion Brand Pound of Loves. So I'm not gonna take this out of the bag. I'm gonna leave that in there. But I got this Lion Brand Pound of Love in the color, oh come on, can I see the color through the bag and the writing? So this is called Cherry. It's a little bit darker than, yeah, that's a little bit darker shade than this cherry. This is more brighter cherry red than this one. So yeah, I got 1 of these. Again, medium 4, 16 ounces, 454 grams. 932 meters, or 1,020 yards in the Lion Brand Pound of Loves. These, I really like these. The only thing is that I gotta say, the Lion Brand yarn is definitely a thinner 4 than the Karen 1-pounders and the Red Heart. So that is definitely gonna be interesting to work with when I make these blankets. So, Cherry. And then I got this color right here, which is called Honeybee. It's a nice light yellow. It's kind of blowing out a little bit right there because it's right underneath the light. That's pretty good right there. Just nice light yellow. It's actually really soft. I really like this. Okay, so I got 1 of those, and then the last color I got, which is none of our favorite colors to crochet with, but I needed 3 blacks. Just good old fashioned black yarn, same specs, you know, 1,020 yards. This is actually really soft. How's that one? It's a little rough too. But pretty soft. Wow. These are all really soft. I really like these. I'm definitely going to have to get some more Pound of Loves because these are so soft. I mean, the Karen 1-pounders, they're soft too. I don't know if I like them a lot. That's what I want to see if the water leaked through this. No, we're good. All right. So yeah, that is my order from JoAnn's. It's not much. It's all not blanket yarn, but yarn that I'm going to be using to make blankets out of for all of my nieces and nephews and my younger brother. So yeah, that is it. If you guys are interested in what I did pay, I paid no more than $8 for each of these. I think either the Lion brand or the Karen 1-pounders were, one of them was $7, one of them was $8, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. The Red Heart Super Saver Jumbos, those were, I think I paid $6 and something for each of them. And then the Red Heart Ombres were like just a little over $6 for each of those as well. And then the Red Heart Super Savers I think were $3.33 each, roughly. So not bad altogether. Yeah. The only thing that I would like to ask you guys is I would like to know what are some of y'all's favorite blanket patterns. I would like to do a different pattern for each child's blanket. I know that's not gonna be too hard to do. I just don't want a blanket pattern that's gonna take forever because I have 12 blankets I need to do before I want to say before November, so that way I can get them shipped off to the East Coast, so that way they can have them for Christmas. I did finish 2 already for one of my nieces and one of my nephews, so that's 2 down. So that's, you know, that leaves me with only 10 more blankets to do. But I would like to know your guys' ideas for y'all's favorite blanket patterns. If you can just leave a comment down below. Hold on one second, guys. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Had to talk to my kids for a moment. They were getting a little loud upstairs. But yeah, like I was saying, if you guys can, you know, give me some ideas on what your favorite blanket patterns are in the comments down below, that would be great. I do have some finished objects that I have done so far since my last yarn chat video. Hopefully I will be able to get back on Friday. If not, then I will definitely be back on Tuesday with another yarn chat video. Until then, I hope all of you guys are staying safe and stocking up as best you can with all of this coronavirus going on. Remember, if you have to leave your house, obviously do it for necessity purposes only. Other than that, try and stay home. I know it's difficult. I know it's a lot. We are in week 2 or 3 of being quarantined in our towns, and they prefer us not to leave our houses, so we are definitely going stir crazy here, and you guys will be where we are right now with very limited activities and stuff to do, so just prepare for that. Yeah, that's all I can really say. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week and a wonderful weekend. If I don't see you guys on Friday, then I will definitely see you guys all on Tuesday. So, till then, stay safe, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody.